The REOLINK 4K dual-lens camera offers an impressive dual-view feature, allowing users to see both a full view and a close-up simultaneously, thanks to its hybrid zoom capability. With its pan and tilt features, the camera ensures comprehensive coverage and can automatically track and zoom in on moving objects, providing a clear and detailed view of any event. The intelligent alert system distinguishes between people, vehicles, and pets, ensuring that users receive relevant notifications in real time through email, app push, or an audible siren. The camera delivers exceptional 4K video quality with its 8-megapixel dual lens, offering both infrared black and white and spotlight color night vision for clear footage day or night. Its solar-powered design paired with a 4G connection eliminates the need for power outlets or Wi-Fi, making it perfect for remote locations such as country homes or construction sites. The included SIM card connects to the strongest available 3G or 4G LTE network without any contract or activation fees, supporting major carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile in the United States.